to scratch Funnel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Scratch Choose a Game Part 2. Let's get scratching. And you can first press your folders if you did my last video. And just go inside that tab. And then you see, we already made these at the last video. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a score, an enemy, and the start sign. And now, let's get scratching. And also a background. So you can press paint again. And you see it's really blank. There's nothing you can fight over for. So let's draw the enemies. How I like drawing the enemies is like this. You just like photo, like you copy this, like you press like using the mouse, and then you press copy, and then you can go back to Sprite 5 and paste it. Okay, and then it's kind of confusing because they're both green, so that's why we're gonna use this called the fill, I think, and then set the color to red. And then I want the red to be a little bit darker. I want it to be 100, 100, and then 89. Okay? So then you see it filters which side you want to do it. And I want this to be in the inside. And then I'm going to go here and want this to be darker. So let's go to about 69. So it's 0 to 169. And then now, do the outlines like this and this. Ta-da! That's how you make a simple, like a cheat code for Scratch. Okay, now use the mouse again, do this, make sure it's in the middle, and then let's go to the code. So you see, if we want, when the game starts, we want this to be attacking him, but then we have to create many clones of him. I have to duplicate this again. So that's why we are going to use clones. You might know about clones on the last video, but yeah. When green flag clicked, we want it to hide, because he's not going to be the one chasing the green guy. He's going to create clones of himself. You want it to hide, and then we want it to show, and then create a clone of myself. You get like this. When green flag clicks, hide, and then we want it to hide first, and then show, and then hide like this. So if I don't put hide or show, then this will just it couldn't create a clone of myself because it's not visible. He has to show, and then the clones can be created like this, like you watch. And then press, and then just move this guy around. But look, there's no clones because we haven't made a code for this yet. So do forever, repeat until act. We do a repeat until. And you'll know why we have to do a repeat until. We want it to do repeat until game is over. We want repeat until touching Sprite 1. Like touching Sprite 1. But this code is actually for the clones. So just go to the clones. And then you might know about clones since I did on my last video for the bullets. But yeah. And then repeat until touching Sprite 1. Sprite 1 is basically this character. And then we also want it if touching Sprite 3. And then let's do and. Last time we did or and am are really similar to actual English. But yeah. So you want it to and touching and. We don't need to do and. It's or. Sorry, it got messed up. Or touching mouse pointer. No, it's not mouse pointer. It's Sprite 3. Okay. And then we want it to glide. But then it'll look ugly. Because, you know, if you're to glide 1 second to, look, Sprite 1, watch. See? It just creates a clone. And they stop. Because, like, look, it touched this clone. And here's the thing, watch. If we press it again, we don't want this, look, it's really buggy. It doesn't look good. So that's why we're gonna make it point towards Sprite 1. And then after it's pointing towards him, we want it to move to 1 step. Okay, yeah. And then we wanted to delete this clone. Watch. Look. And then see? It's following towards it. But look, if I just shoot it, heck. See? It's gone. But then it's not much more clones. So we wanted to put it in a forever loop. I want to put in a repeat until. Clone myself. We want to do show. Like this. And then hide. And we also can do this like wait 1 second. Because look, if I just press the green flag, look, it's going to be many clones. You get it? And browse and scratch. The only can let you create about like 30 clones. I mean 100 clones. I mean 300. See? Look, it's really weird. It looks like a big glob after you do that. See? You get it? Look, it just looks like somebody's drawing. You get it? So, we want to do repeat until game is over, which is going to be touching the mouse pointer. So, repeat until it's touching the mouse pointer. You also can do forever loops like this, and then you can just do, when I saw it as a clone, forever, if then touching mouse pointer. I mean, not touching mouse pointer. Touching Sprite 1, then stop all. we want to go to control, stop ball. Okay, but it looked kind of plain, so we're gonna do something else to make it look better because it's only spawning from the middle. So we can just make it spawn from the edges. So you can just go to here, go to random position, show, clone myself, hide. We want it to first wait a few seconds before it stops cloning, like about 8 seconds. And then wait 1 second, no, 2 seconds, and watch. You just need to wait 8 seconds. See, they go from random position. And plus, it is really fun just to shoot these guys, bruh. The enemy just touched me, but it's kind of like hard if it just spawns right on top of you. So we're gonna create a health spot. So 1, 2. If touches right once, then let's make a variable called score. And then you see this, it's not score. Bro, I need to change this name. Rename variable health. H-E-L, health. Okay. And see, health is, we want to set health to 100. 100. And then they wanted to change house by -1. And then duplicate again. You wanted to do if, and go to operators, equals if health equals 0, then stop all. Let's see if it works. You see, I'm just walking around here. See, it's 99. It goes like, it's weird, you get it? It just disappears after it touches you. And that's not actually how we want it to go. So we just need to go here. Only touching sprite free. Like this. Watch. You can also add like a biting effect. Because it's cool. You get it. Look. See? Ouch. You get these. It's like this. And you just can shoot them all. Dude, stop biting me. See? And then look. My house got up to 0. I counted really fast, so I'm going to do wait 0.1 second, and let's see how it looks. You see, I'm just a character playing. Those zombies are spawning. And then look, after you do this, it goes like 1, 2, bro. See? My house is going down rapidly. So kill these guys. Bro, domination. Look. Domination. Dude. Domination. Bro, where's my domination? I'm killing him. Domination. See? Yeah. It is working, everything well. Now we just need to make the start button and the background. So, let's go to paint again. and make the background blue or green. It's your choice. I like doing green because green kind of matches the color, but then you make it really light. Get it? And then just make an act, bruh. Now let's do it like this. And you don't need a red. Just do this. And then ta-ta. And by the way, the green is 31, 66, and 100. And then you just need to snap it in the middle again. And then, you know, it looks kind of bright. So we're going to change the color a little bit. 43. 31, 43, and 100. And then go to code. And green flag clicked. We want it to go to the back. So we want it to go to back layer. You get it? Now let's see if it works. See? It's at the back layer. And then we want this to also go to 0, 0. So just go to 0 and 0 and ta-da. And then want it to do a forever sign. Like you see, it looks perfectly fine. Bruh. Yeah, it looks really fine. And then see, you can move around. You can play the game. But then now when you make a start button. Pew pew. Okay. And some sound effects. Like when they're eating, I think they can go by like 0.3 seconds. Let's see how it works. Pew pew is my aimer. Like Justice Aimer. Let's see how slow it works. Okay, yeah. Looks really nice. The speed goes okay. I like it. So just stop the game again. And now let's make the start button. All you need to do is go here. And then I want it to go make a start button. And some sound effects. And we want this to not show. Because the ball's going to have some pew pew sound. So go to sounds. And then, see, there's only a pop. Just go to sounds here and choose a sound and search the P-E-W. I see this is a pew sound. Looks really nice. And then sound pew. When it's not as a clone. Like this, watch. See, it looks really nice. But you know, at the beginning, we want it to hide. So we want this to go here. I also want this to, when I receive message 1. Like this, where's the code for that? Oh yeah. 1, 2. Also, we also want to hide variable health. And we want to show. And you see? Good. And now we just need to, but when I receive messages, it's called start, bro. Start. I turn. And see when I receive start. And look, it's hiding. So we want to go here. We want this to broadcast start. So go to costumes. And then now you just need to make a sign. A button for it. Usually, I think I can choose a costume for this ones. But yeah. I'm going to do button 3B. Wait, and then you see this costume? All we need to do is just fill a color inside, and then surroundings, just make it dark. I prefer 3173. Like this. And then something else you just need to do is do this. Make this thing bigger. Like this. Have it in the middle. Okay, good. And then write a start button. Fill, you can just use the eyedropper and do this. And I like doing all uppercases. Start, and then okay. Start, and then use this again. Point it like this. Do it in the middle. Good. Go to code. And we want this to go to 0, 0. when it's like beginning. Broadcast start. We want it to go to 0, 0. Event when green flag clicked. Because it goes 0, 0. When it's sprite clicked, broadcast start. You see? It'll broadcast start. Watch. And then we want this to hide. And then we also want it to have an effect, like in other video games. Just do if then. And then touching mouse pointer. So we want, if this guy's touching mouse pointer, we want the size to go bigger. So set size to 115. And then duplicate this again and set the size to 100. You got it. So look, if it's touching mouse pointer, then it'll grow bigger, like it has a little effect. And we also want it when it's like beginning, we want it to show, or else we can't like use the start button again. You get it? But look, we still have this character behind here, which is kind of frustrating. That's why we are gonna make it when green 1, I receive start. And now look, I receive start. And we want it when green flag clicked, hide. And then we want it when he receives start, we want it to show. So it won't just keep being hiding. So look, only the gun is here and the bullet. Now we just have to do that same thing to the gun and bullet and aimer. And now we want to, when they receive start, when green flag clicked, we want to show and hide. Yeah, and then we're going to duplicate this again, just delete this, and then put it like that. And you'll know what I'm doing since I did that same thing to sprite 1, which is the player. And then now we just needed to do the bullet. Green flag clicked, hide, forever, and when I receive, start, and then when I start as a clone, these we don't need to put anything on them, and then this I want to when I receive, start, and we want it also to hide, so just need to hide in the show, and we want it to green flag click, then he'll hide. And I do that to the bullets. Oh yeah, and okay, and then I did this to this, right? Yeah, and then let's see if it works. See, it works. It works really well. Now you have literally a game. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.